The new year has already started. The first month is slipping away. If you're still getting ready, this is your signal to lock in now. Everyone talks about a fresh start in January. Most of them repeat the same year with a different date. They don't want change. They want comfort with better results. If you enter 2026 with the same patterns, your life won't reset just because the calendar did. Real change doesn't happen while you're visible, available, and constantly stimulated. It happens when you remove yourself from the noise long enough to rebuild how you think, work, and live. And 90 days of focused, uncomfortable work can completely change the direction of your life. Disappearing for 90 days and coming back with standards so high your old life no longer fits. This is your complete 90-day plan. Rule 1. Locking in. Discipline doesn't come from trying harder. It comes from cutting escape routes. For the next 90 days, anything that numbs you is gone. No smoking, no gaming, no cheap dopamine disguised as rest. And don't fool yourself. Your phone is the biggest one. These are the rules you follow every day. Wake up before 6 a.m. 30 minutes of hard physical training. 15 minutes of silence. One uncomfortable task that directly builds your future income or core skill. If you miss a single day, you don't negotiate. You reset mentally and continue. This isn't about being extreme. It's about proving one thing. Your mind is a tool, not your master. Rule 2. Lock onto your big goals. Goals are worthless if they stay in your head. Write them down. Pick 10 goals that matter this year, then look closer. Identify the 3 most important, the ones that will actually change your life if you achieve them. For the next 90 days, everything you do must revolve around these 3. Not tomorrow, not next week, today, every day. Break them into tasks you can actually complete. Schedule them, execute them, track them. Every day counts. Every action matters. Rule 3. Create real pressure. Let's be honest. You'll break promises to yourself, but you won't break promises to someone you respect. So create real pressure. Choose one person who actually matters to you and make a promise you're afraid to break. Something meaningful, something personal. And also, make a simple checklist from day 1 to 90. Add your most important daily tasks. Do them and tick the box. This shows your real discipline. By day 90, the checklist will tell you everything. Rule 4. Cut the triggers. If your discipline depends on motivation, it will crumble the first time things get boring. Your surroundings are training you every second, either for success or failure. Do this. Remove the TV from your room. Delete social media apps. Put your phone on grayscale and keep it out of reach while working. Your desk is for work only. Your bed is for sleep only. Nothing else belongs there. If your surroundings still support your old habits, your old identity will keep winning. Rule 5. Survive the boring middle. You can work 16 hours a day, but if your energy is low, those 16 hours are useless. Pay attention to your biological prime time, the part of the day when your mind feels sharp and clear. That's when your hardest work should happen. This is how real output is built. Now understand this. The beginning feels exciting, the end feels rewarding, but the real test is the middle. Around day 40 to 50, nothing dramatic happens. Results are slow. Motivation fades. This is where most people quit. Success comes from doing the boring work even when there's no results. Give yourself just 90 days, no excuses. Wake up, focus, grind, tick the boxes. Discipline beats motivation. Think big. The mindset matters. Imagine where you'll be if you follow through. By day 90, you'll be unrecognizable. This video won't feel important now, but after 90 days, you'll be proud you started. Subscribe.